Welcome to Life Hacks Central. Have you ever dreamed of walking into a brand new home, breathing in the fresh aroma of untouched interiors, and knowing, this is your space, untouched and unspoiled? What if I told you there's a way to turn that dream into your everyday reality? But wait! Before you dive in, do you know the secrets to selecting the best features in a new construction home? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be a master. So, let's embark on this thrilling journey together. New construction homes. A blank canvas that holds the promise of future memories. But how do you ensure this canvas transforms into a masterpiece? By being wise about the features you choose. Secret number 1, electromagnetic shielding. In this tech-centric era, our sanctuaries are often surrounded by invisible electromagnetic fields, EMFs, from countless devices. These might sound like science fiction, but their effects are real. Some modern homes offer special electromagnetic shielding within their walls. This shield safeguards you from potential health hazards of EMFs. Think of it as your home's invisible superhero cape, fluttering with pride. Secret number 2, self-cleaning windows. Does the mere thought of window cleaning make you groan? Enter self-cleaning windows. Coated with a unique material, these windows harness the sun's power to break down dirt and grime. Your views of the world outside remain ever vivid, and your days much more relaxed. Secret number 3, heated driveways. Snow might paint a picturesque winter scene, but it's no fun when it's obstructing your driveway. Modern homes can now come with heated driveways, melting away snow and ice. It's like your driveway has its cozy blanket. Secret number 4, bacterial-resistant countertops. Your kitchen, the heart of your home, can be a bastion against germs. Cutting-edge countertops now come imbued with materials resisting bacterial growth. Cooking becomes not just a creative endeavor but a healthier one. It's akin to having a miniature, valiant knight guarding your food, ensuring it remains untouched by pesky invaders. Secret number 5, soundproofed sanctuaries. In a bustling world, a moment of quiet is a luxury. Homes are now adapting to offer soundproofed rooms. Whether it's an impromptu music jam, a work call, or just some cherished solitude, every room can become an oasis of calm. It's like your walls wear invisible earmuffs, ensuring that tranquility is never breached. Secret number 6, gray water systems. Water is life. But it's also a dwindling resource. Enter gray water systems, which give used water from your sinks and showers a noble second purpose, nurturing your garden. Think of it as your home's tribute to Mother Earth, cherishing every droplet and ensuring none goes to waste. Secret number 7, smart vents. Thermostats had their moment, but now, it's time for smart vents to shine. Individualized climate control in every room, adjusting as per your desires. It's as if the home breathes with you, inhales when you're warm, and exhales a cool breeze when you need it. Secret number 8, eco-friendly insulations. In a bid to cherish our planet, new-age insulations like sheep wool and recycled jeans are making an entrance. They're not only efficient but also a nod to sustainable living. Your home becomes a testament to living in harmony with nature, wrapping you in warmth and eco-consciousness. Home is more than a dwelling. It's where dreams reside, memories are crafted, and futures are sculpted. And when such homes brim with secrets that marry convenience with care, life becomes an enchanting symphony. Before we conclude this magical journey, if you've loved peeling back the layers of these secrets, do hit subscribe. We're brimming with countless more insights, including our fantastic video on 5 vehicle hacks to keep the mileage of your vehicle high. Dive in, explore, and be enchanted. Lastly, a shimmering challenge for our vibrant community: share in the comments, which of these home secrets would make you feel like you're living in the future? Or perhaps you've heard of a feature we missed. Enlighten us. Remember, life is full of hacks waiting to be uncovered. Here at Life Hacks Central, we're your trusted companions in this delightful quest. Until next time, live magically.